Okay, full confession time. The Tamiya extra thin cement and the Justice Warrior. Oh yeah, they made sweet, sweet love. They did. Oh, Princess Vespa. Oh, sorry. That's the wrong thing, but still. Oh, yes. So, luscious. Oh, you're all over me. You're all over me. Oh. Yes, I used quite a bit of glue on the Justice Warrior for two reasons. The first reason is I don't plan on taking him apart. And the second reason, there were definitely some parts that while you're trying to squeeze together would fly apart on you. One of the worst offender were these shoulder pieces up here. So there's a lot of glue there. In fact, even so, this one just came unslid there. I'm not sure. Look at it in a minute. And also on the feet. These just, any little side pressure would pop them off, so I glued them too. There's some other areas, but those are the mains. Alright.
Thank you for watching another episode of Stolen's Reviews. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of August. Only 86 more to go. And keep on subscribing. Today I am reviewing the High Godo City Action Mech series. It's a Lego-like brick mobile suit called the Justice Warrior. I think. It's not real clear on the naming. The Amazon title says City Warrior Justice Hero Soldier Mech Model Building Kit. So I'm just going to call it the Justice Warrior. The Amazon description states it's made of 588 bricks and assembled it stands about 9 inches tall. There are 11 bags of bricks, with the 11th bag being gold and silver colored bricks of various types. So let's start with what I liked. Numbered bags. What a difference that makes. I have built other brick mobile suits that didn't have numbered bags, which makes it for a painfully slow build. I'm looking at you, Knife Liz. I wasn't missing any bricks, and I did have a few leftover bricks, so they give you some spares. The stickers provided applied well, though I feel like they're a hair too big. You have to apply them carefully or you'll have some sticker overhanging the edge of the brick. Amazingly, though, the stickers nearly match the color of the bricks, and they are very shiny and have very nice looking gold foil images. The parts had a satisfying click together, with both bricks going together very firmly, certainly more firmly than most Lego bricks do. I'm calling this a good thing, but it isn't always. The shoulder-mounted Gauss machine guns are a nice touch. The instructions were excellent, with mostly accurate coloring that usually did a great job of letting you know which part went next. The mobile suit poses pretty well, and thanks to its broad feet, it is stable. The Amazon page mentions the mech transforms, and I'll give a yeah, maybe. What does happen, which just floored me actually, when I saw it, is the kit comes with a minifig fellow that can be placed inside the suit after you open its chest up. Amazing. Going into what I didn't like, in contrast to some other brands of brick mobile suit kits, the instruction book didn't have any extra information about the mobile suit's characteristics or weapons. I had to look at the Amazon store page to determine that its weapon was called Super Weapon Gun Tube. Very imaginative. The biggest down for me, though, was I needed to glue the figure quite a bit, as indicated in the new intro there. I did this for two reasons. First, because I don't plan on taking it apart ever again, and second, and most importantly, areas of the mech's shoulders and arms would crumble while trying to attach it to the body. Some quick gluing fixed it all up, though. I think the arms were so tricky because the bricks that accept the axles, to me, seemed to be slightly warped or squashed, and that makes for very tight insertions. The amount of pressure it takes to insert the axle rod leads to some dislodgement of other pieces, which you put a lot of pressure on while pushing things together. On the heels of the model, I noticed that the brick joining two pieces didn't fit well, and the parts were definitely under stress, so I'll have a picture of that so you can see it. I also found this as a problem on the Green Destroy Warrior mobile suit by High Godo that I reviewed shortly ago. It can be a little challenging to tell the colors of the bricks in the instructions. For instance, dark gray parts and black parts were very similar, but I've seen that in the best of kits anyway, and it worked out okay. Would I do it again? Yeah, I'd do it again. It was overall a great build. The minifig driver compartment was very novel and fun. I'm giving this kit 4 out of 5 stars, though, for the stressed heels and the need to glue some pieces. So far, I like High Godo brick kits enough to buy a few more, and that I will be building and reviewing on this channel very soon, so stay tuned to Stolen's Reviews. Did you build one of these or another High Godo brick kit? What did you think? Please comment below, and we'd all like to know what other kits are worthwhile to build from High Godo.